Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your name in the Pinterest app. First, we have to open up the app. Then, here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. Tap on our profile picture, then tap on our profile picture again, and then tap on edit profile. And here we have first name and last name, and we can change these just by deleting and typing the name that has been set at the beginning. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.